A solitary figure strides down the wet city street. Her black leather jacket glistening in the faint glow of street lights. She is an island, alone amidst the reflections and rain. The jacket, a shield against the cold, becomes a metaphor for the emotional armor we wear in the face of life's uncertainties. This figure, moving steadily down the center of the road, seems both vulnerable and untouchable, carrying with her the weight of the city's forgotten stories. The rain falls quietly, like memories cascading, blurring the edges of reality and abstraction. In the world of color, crimson is alive, its intensity cutting through the muted tones of grey and blue like an unspoken scream. Crimson bleeds into the screen with a kind of raw emotion, repressing life's hidden passions, desires, and sometimes its unhealed wounds. It pushes beneath the figure's steps, reminiscent of the fierce energy that drives us all forward, even in the moments of solitude. There is a tension in this color, a beautiful contradiction of love and anger, passion and pain. It lingers in the air, hanging over the city, like an echo of something both distant and immediate. Crimson is a color that can't be ignored. It demands to be felt. Here, it embodies the figure's inner world, her unresolved emotions, her unspoken battles. It slashes across the wet asphalt, tracing her path, guiding her through the chaos of the night. In contrast, the city itself is grey, an endless backdrop of monotony, a kind of emotional fog that weighs on the figure's shoulders. Grey is a color of neutrality, of limbo, where nothing is fully defined. It's the color of the city's indifferent hum, of the streets and the buildings, the concrete jungle that stretches endlessly. In this sea of grey, the figure is swallowed by anonymity. The wet pavement reflects not only the streetlight, but the figure's own sense of disconnection. As though she walks between worlds, half present, half forgotten. Grey is the color of ambiguity, a reflection of the emotional distance we often feel in urban spaces. It presses down, heavy and soft, dulling the edges of life's experiences. In this space, the figure seems lost, yet still determined. Her steps are sure, even though the world around her seems to blur and fade. But then there is yellow, cutting through the gloom like a beacon. A fleeting glimmer of hope, amidst the darkness. Yellow is warmth, light and optimism. No matter how brief it appears in the reflection of a streetlight or a puddle, guiding the figure forward. The yellows in this scene represent a deeper truth. Even in the coldest, most isolated moments, there is always a spark of something better. Yellow reminds the figure of warmth, of connection, of the possibility that things might get brighter. It's the human spirit's instinct to reach for light, for meaning, even when the world seems overwhelmingly grey. It's the warmth of a memory, the comfort of knowing that hope exists even in the smallest flickers of light in the rain. As these colours merge and flow, the abstract palette knife strokes bring it all together. The rough, expressive marks on the canvas are jagged and unpredictable, much like life itself. The knife slices through the colours, blending them into a chaotic yet harmonious whole. The figure is not walking through a perfectly rendered scene, but a fragmented, disjointed reality, one that leaves room for interpretation and imagination. The palette knife marks, rough and expressive, mirror the city's movement, the rain-slicked streets, the shifting reflections, the blurred faces of passers-by. Everything feels fluid, unsettled, like memories that haven't yet solidified. The abstraction speaks to the uncertainty of life, to the emotional chaos we navigate every day. Each stroke suggests that nothing in life is fully clear, that our perceptions are always incomplete, fragmented, like the splintering reflections of a city after the rain. And yet, despite the chaos, the figure keeps walking, moving through the city's shadows, through its layers of color and emotion, through the unresolved fragments of her own mind. This is the story of color, of emotion, and of us all moving through life's abstract, rain-slicked streets, never fully knowing where we're headed, but always finding beauty in the journey.